Let's solve the following systems. X plus y equals 3, negative x plus 2y equals 3. So here, x, this is positive and this is negative. That means it's already set up. You can basically add straight down this way. So x with negative x is 0. 1y plus 2y is going to give you a 3y. And then 3 plus 3 will give you a 6 in this position. Now divide by 3 and divide by 3. Therefore, y is equal to positive 2. Remember, once you know the value of y or x, you got to find the other variable value. So let's plug into the top equation. We're going to have the following. X plus, replace y with 2 is equal to 3, and then solve for x. So minus 2, these two cancel, and therefore x equals positive 1. That means that the solution as a point object is 1, 2. Look at the next equation. Here, if you just add straight down, nothing will cancel. This is 2x, and x is 3x, y and y is 2y, nothing cancels. So what you could do is you could multiply the bottom equation by negative 1, like this. So then you would end up with the equivalent system that says x plus y equals 5. The top equation is not changed, but the bottom equation, distribute the negative 1 here, becomes negative 2x, distribute the negative 1 here, it becomes negative y, and distribute the negative 1 all the way to the 1 at the end. It's going to be a negative 1. Now you can add these straight down because look, x plus negative 2x is going to give you a negative x. Y plus negative y is going to give you a 0. And then 5 minus 1 effectively gives you a 4. So you have negative x equals 4. Then just divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. So x equals negative 4. Again, now that we know x, find y. We're going to have, using the top equation, for example, negative 4 plus y is equal to 5. Add 4, cancel these, and therefore y is equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. So the overall solution then is the point that says negative 4 for x and positive 9 for y. The last equation is the trick is because you see this is 2 and this is 3. This is 3 and this is 2. So we have to make a coefficient that's the same and opposite in sign. Look at the multiples of the 2 right here. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Look at the multiples of the 3 right there, for example. You could also do this with the y's. I'm just focusing on the x arbitrarily, to be honest. So you're going to have 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Stop for a second. This is positive 6. This is positive 6. So we cannot multiply the top equation by 3 and the bottom by 2. We have to also change the signs. So one of these is a negative 6 and one is a positive 6. So we're going to recreate the system this way. Multiply the top equation, say, by negative 3. So 2x plus 3y equals 5. And then the bottom equation we can multiply by positive 2 this way. So you're going to have 3x plus 2y is equal to 3. Now look very carefully. Continue with transforming the system for now. Distribute this negative 3 to the 2x. That's going to give you negative 6x. Distribute it to the 3y. That's going to give you negative 9y. Distributed to the 5, that's going to give you negative 15. Do the same thing on the bottom. Distribute this 2 to the 3. That's going to give you a positive 6x. Now these are opposites. You want that. And then 2 times 2y is going to give you a positive 4y. And then 2 times 3 at the end there is going to give you a positive 6. Now you can add these straight down. And then this cancels with this. You have negative 9y plus 4y, which is going to give you a negative 5y. And this is negative 15 plus 6, which is negative 9. So divide both sides by negative 5. So these cancel. And therefore y is equal to negative 9 over negative 5, which is going to give you positive 9/5. Now that we know y is 9/5, you have to find the corresponding value of x. So what we can do is we can use this top equation right here. So I'm going to do 2x plus 3 and replace y directly with 9/5. And this is equal to 5. To solve this, you can proceed as follows. 2x plus 3 times 9 is 27 over 5 is equal to 5. Continue. Here we have fractions, so just multiply every term by 5. It's going to be this, in other words, 5 times 2x plus 5 over 27 over 5 is equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 2x is 10x. This 5 cancels with that 5, leaving 27. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract 27 from both sides. These two will cancel, so you have 10x equals 25 minus 27 is negative 2. Divide by 10 and reduce here. So x is equal to negative 1/5, which means that the solution to the point is the negative 1/5 from the x and the positive 9/5 from the y. Here's all of the work. Like, share, and subscribe.